Hi Shadab. Hi Mohammed. Thank you for joining us. Hi Rakesh. Hi Shrey. Thank you for joining us today. We will be starting the session in next 2 to 3 minutes once we have people on board for today's live session. Thank you Nilesh. Thank you Rishi. Thank you for joining guys. We'll be having a lovely session today. Hi guys. Hi Atish. Hi Rakesh. Hi Rajiv. Okay. So let me just give you a brief about this session. So this session will be for next 30 minutes and the session is on men's grooming today. So let me introduce you about the session in detail. So to all of people who have joined so far, hi guys. Thank you for joining us today on this live session with Lifestyle and the Man Company on the occasion of International Men's Day. I am Akash Bhatte, General Manager and Men's Grooming Expert at the Man Company. International Men's Day, which is today, 19th November, is celebrated to raise awareness about physical and mental well-being of a man. It's not just about a physical and mental, but the overall well-being, right from grooming to the physical health to the mental health. Happy International Men's Day to all the men out there. Today we are going to touch base upon the grooming part of the entire physical well-being. So if you have any questions regarding men's grooming, please ask them to us. The Man Company is into premium grooming products for men. So it's not just about beard, it's about beard, hair, your skin care, bath and body, fragrances. So if you have any questions about it, do ask. Thank you, Avni. Thank you. Thank you, Rishi. Happy International Men's Day to you as well. Okay. So guys, we are waiting for some questions over here. In the meanwhile, so I had when we just logged in, we got some questions in our DM, right? So one of the questions that we got from one of the viewers today was that I have dry skin, right? And how do I do not know how to identify it and how do I solve this dry skin problem? Okay. So first thing, as a layman, right, we do not know whether our skin is actually dry or normal or it is oily skin. So first it is very important to identify what our skin type is exactly and then make a right choice of the product. So there's a simple experiment that you can do at your home. One, take a tissue paper, okay? Keep it aside. After washing your face with a regular face wash, whichever you are using, or just rinse your face properly with water. After 10 minutes, take that tissue paper and dab on your face. Okay. In case if you see a oil on that tissue paper, that means that you have a oily skin. In case if you feel a dryness or the face has become rough, that means you have a dry skin. And if you feel very normal, that means you have a normal skin. Now, going back to the question which our viewer asked, what if my skin is dry, what do I do then? First of all, I always believe that it's not just products that you should apply on the skin, right? Whatever you intake in your food shows up on your skin. Whatever home remedies you can do, you should also do that. And as a regular basis, you should also use skincare products. So for dry skin, you can definitely use, like we all drink milk. Even if you don't drink, there's malai on the milk. You can use that and apply on the face. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes every day and you will see slowly and gradually your skin will become from dry to normal skin. If you want to use products on a regular basis to treat your dry skin, you can definitely use products which has argan in it, argan oil, shea butter or hyaluronic acid, which is very, very good for the skin. This all ingredients which I just told you, whether it is home remedy, malai, or it is argan oil or shea butter, it will hydrate your skin. Oily skin is not good, so we don't have to make the skin from dry to oily. We have to make from dry to normal skin. So these are the products that ingredients that you should always see when you are making choice of the product. So definitely the Man Company also does has product for face care like vitamin C face serum which has hyaluronic acid into it. We have face washes which has argan into it, and you can buy those at Lifestyle Store or on lifestyle.com. And for today, International Men's Day, and for the next 2 days we have buy two get one offer on lifestyle.com. So don't wait, log on to lifestyle.com and buy your products. Okay, so I just saw one question asking, I have a poor beard growth. What do I do? What do I use? Okay, so see, beard growth can be poor because of two things. One, it is age. If you are maybe below 18 or 18, 19, 20, in that age beard starts to come. So do not rush on to use products. I always suggest once you are 21, 22, then you start using the beard products that you get in the market. Now, the second reason you may not be getting beard is a genetic issue. So you should also identify that. However, if it is not age or genes which is the issue, then yes, definitely you can go ahead by using beard oil. Now, there are a lot of beard oils which are available in market. However, you can definitely go with something which is 100% natural. Because when you're using something on your facial skin, right? Because beard is on facial skin. Now, facial skin is very, not that hard as compared to the rest of the body skin, right? So for the facial skin, you should always use something which is very, very natural. So I recommend you using almond and thyme beard oil by the Man Company. Why? Not just because it is the Man Company product, because it is 100% natural beard oil which does not have any side effects as well. Now, how do you use it, and what's the process of getting the beard growth? Now, take one beard oil bottle first of almond and thyme beard oil. Use 2 or 3 drop of beard oil on your facial skin wherever you don't have beard, or you want to apply the beard oil on the entire beard, you can do that as well. Apply it, first dab the beard oil on the entire section and then massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. And then keep it the same way for next 20-30 minutes, and then you can go for your shower in the morning. And in the night, you can just apply it and then go to bed, right? So use it twice a day, morning and night. Now it's not a magic that will come, the beard will come in 7 or 8 days, right? So it's a process. Now you should at least use the beard oil, the almond and thyme beard oil, for at least 45 days to 60 days, right? Now after that duration, you will start to see the result. Once you see the result that this is working, you can use it on a regular basis, and you will see that you will be getting a lot of beard growth. Okay, so somebody is asking, what is this session about? Okay, so today is International Men's Day, and we have a session on men's grooming with Lifestyle and the Man Company. So if you have any questions regarding men's grooming, please do not hesitate to ask. Okay, we have one question over here by Kunal. I have oily skin, and due to which I have acne issues. So how do I treat them? Okay, first of all, as I mentioned earlier as well, that what you intake in your food also reflects on your skin. So first of all, reduce oil intake, right? Try to use less oil when you're cooking food, right? Reduce your oil intake, fast food, and cut down on that, because all the oily that you're having on the food, that fat gets collect on your skin as well, because of which you also get oil, and then because of the oil you will get acne. Manju, I'm answering the same question, how to get rid of pimples. So the question on acne, so I'm answering the same. So please continue session. Yeah, so going back to the question of oily skin, Now, first of all, reduce the oil intake, and then do use home remedies as well. For example, use aloe vera gel on your skin. This will absorb the oil at the same time to hydrate the skin as well. Plus, when you're choosing any product on the skin, for example, face wash or any product, do choose product that will treat oily skin. So you should always look out for ingredients like tea tree, caffeine, charcoal, aloe vera, vitamin C. These are the ingredients that you should look when you are checking any products for oily skin. If these are the ingredients mentioned, then definitely it will cure the oily skin. Now, when you have oily skin and it's prolonged, then obviously it will start showing up in form of acne, pimples, whatever you call it. Now, how do you treat them, right? So in that case, the Man Company has a specific product which is called anti-acne gel, which has two main ingredients. One is neem and tea tree. Now what neem does, neem kills bacteria on the skin. Right now, from the ages and ages in our Ayurveda and Indian tradition, we use neem, tulsi, and all these products, ingredients, because it does help our skin and our hair. So yes, neem will cure the bacteria on your skin. So whatever acne you have or the after acne effect you have in your skin will be removed by neem. And then tea tree. What tea tree does is tea tree absorb all the oil from your skin. It only retains the nourishing portion of the skin and absorbs all the oil from your skin, because of which the new acne or pimples will not arise. So always look out for products like caffeine, for example, caffeine scrub or caffeine face wash, tea tree face wash, tea tree scrub, charcoal face wash. These are some of the products that you can definitely use. We have a question here from Praveen: how to get rid of blackheads? Another home remedy. Okay. Now to get rid of blackheads, now obviously you can use the blackhead tweezer to remove it. However, sometimes at home you may pinch yourself too hard, and then it may cause rashes. So it is better to use a peel-off mask, because so if you go to a salon, they can remove the blackheads easily. But when you're looking at the mirror, it is difficult to remove the blackheads. You may scratch yourself, right? So definitely you can use peel-off mask at home, right? So just take a peel-off mask, maybe charcoal peel-off mask or a caffeine mask, right? Apply on your skin a thin layer. I have seen people use a very thick layer on the skin and then they wait for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, put on hair dryer to dry it. No, that's not the right way, right? Just apply a thin layer of a peel-off mask on the skin, on the visible skin. If you have beard, do not apply on the beard, because it will be difficult to remove it later. So apply peel-off mask on your visible skin. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Once it gets dried, just peel it off. And do not peel it off very lightly, peel it off harder, so that all the whiteheads and the blackheads come out. Now, when you use charcoal peel-off mask, right, it does not just gets rid of the blackhead and whitehead, but charcoal also does very good deep cleansing and brightening of the skin. Plus, in the charcoal peel-off mask of the Man Company, we also have moringa, which helps in anti-wrinkle. We have next question by Zai: how to get rid of black marks on the skin? Okay. So to get rid of black marks, first of all, you need to also go to dermatologist or cosmetologist to check why those black marks are. If they are normal black marks or dark circles, it can be removed by home remedies as well, right? So some of the ingredients that you can use, now citrus items ingredients are very good to remove black spots or black marks on the skin. For example, bergamot. I don't know exactly what it's called in other languages, but in Hindi it is called Kinu, right? So Kinu is something by which you can definitely remove your black spots. Black pepper, if you increase the intake of black pepper in your food, definitely the black spots also gets removed. If you have dark circles, if your question is about how do I remove dark circles from the skin, then one home remedy, if you have a tea bag with you, just activate it in a warm hot water for a minute or two. Then keep it in the freezer in the ice for 20-30 minutes, let it get freezed, and then keep it on your eyes. It will detoxify all the harmful chemicals or whatever has caused you dark circles. And getting good sleep is very, very important. Now, few of the products that you can use to remove dark circles or dark spot. One is vitamin C serum, which is also available with the Man company, which has hyaluronic acid into it. So use vitamin C serum every night before you sleep on your skin. Just take couple of drops on your palm, dab it on your face and apply on your face and leave it like that. If you also want to, if you have excess problem of dark spots or dark circles, use vitamin C face wash, use caffeine face washes, which detoxifies your skin, increases brightening in your skin. I hope that has answered your question. Okay, we should get some more questions here. Okay, so there's someone who is asking me a question about what's your beard regime for the day. Okay, so my beard regime is very, very simple, right? And it's usually it's only a morning regime. So once I wake up, I usually first put beard oil on my beard and then go for my tea, read news and all for 20 minutes until the beard oil is absorbed. So it is to be absorbed not only to the beard hair, also to your skin. So massage it very gently and properly. Once I have my tea and I have been waiting for 20 minutes, I go for my shower, and after my shower I use beard wash. Now beard wash is very, very important when you have long beard like me, or maybe once you have 1 inch or more growth of the beard, it is very important to use beard wash, because we go out there in the city, right? A lot of pollution, dust particles, sometimes your dry skin also makes flakes and dandruff on your beard. So it is very important to use beard wash every day if you have long beard. So use beard wash. Once you come out of the shower, just comb it out and then take beard cream and moisturize the beard so that the beard remains soft, healthy, moisturized. So in this regime, I have moisturized my beard with beard oil. I do not use the beard oil for beard growth. I use a different beard oil called argan and geranium beard oil, which is for because my beard is curly, so that particular beard oil is for anti-frizz beard and to keep the beard smooth. Then I take care of my beard by shampooing it every day, and then I use beard cream to moisturize it. Okay, so that's my beard regime. We have a next question. It's winter. What product should I use for my face? Okay. Now in winters, yes, thank you for asking the questions. We are in winters. I'm already wearing a jacket. I'm in Delhi NCR and it's already 14 degrees over here. So definitely, at least in north part of the area and cities like Bangalore, wherein winter just hits in. So yes, during this season, for winter precautions for your skin, use ingredients which will help you to keep your skin hydrated, moisturized. So again, first of all, how will your skin remain hydrated? Use argan oil, use shea butter, use hyaluronic acid in whatever products you are using. Do not use products which will dry out the skin. They are the basic things that you can do at your home, right? Select the right product. Now again, as I said earlier as well, if your skin is getting excessively dry in winters, use malai on your skin, which will keep the moisture retained, right? So use vitamin C serum, use shea butter, vitamin E, argan oil. in the products. Now, the second problem which causes a lot in winter is dry lips, right? It is only because, in winters we lose moisture. Now, in winters we use lip balm, right? And instantly the lips become hydrated. Why? Because it has shea butter in the lip balm. So again, if you are using any lip balm, choose a lip balm which has aloe vera shea butter into it. If you are using any skin product, use shea butter, argan, vitamin C, aloe vera in it. I hope that has answered your question. We have one more question, please, from Jasmine. Please suggest some good gifting options and any gift sets do you have? Okay. So yes, the Man Company has a range of gift boxes. These are very, very well designed gift boxes. You will get all the gift sets in well packaged wooden gift boxes with a greeting sleeve on it, right? So we have gift boxes ranging from 600 rupees up to 3000 rupees, and all those you can get at lifestyle stores. So you can, if you want to give someone a shaving kit, maybe if your dad is clean shaved and on Father's Day or during his birthday, if you want to gift him something, we do have shaving kits, right? During Valentine's Day, if you want to give your loved one with some products which are, maybe face wash, beard, and together, you can actually make your own box as well, right? At the lifestyle outlets, you can choose your own products and curate a box for yourself. And we also have our own curated boxes as well. We have recently launched, so Ayushman Khurana is also one of the users of the Man Company products, and he himself have picked some products of the Man Company, has curated his own box of what Ayushman Khurana uses for his own regime as well. Okay, we have one question on spot pigmentation, how to remove spot pigmentation. Okay, now for spot pigmentation, yes, obviously if it is genetical or if it has caused you from early age, definitely you should take recommendations from a cosmetologist. However, if it is slight pigmentation which has come, definitely you can use a lot of vitamin C products and moringa products, which will definitely cure the pigmentation on your skin. Okay guys, we have another 10 minutes and we'll be taking another 2 to 3 questions. How to stop hair fall? Okay, now again, this question is very generic. First of all, we should know whether we are actually having a hair fall or it's a hair loss. Now both are different, right? Every male or female has a daily hair loss. In example of man, it is 15 to 20 hair loss a day is absolutely normal, because you are also getting new hair from your follicle, from the roots. For a female, it is 50 to 100 hair. 25-30 hair a day is normal. However, if it is doubled up, in that case definitely you have a hair fall issue. So please, tomorrow morning when you get up, just try for one day if you can see whether it is a hair fall or hair loss. Now if you have a hair fall problem, in that case definitely you can either use hair growth oil, and you can also use anti-hair fall serum. Now usually hair oils you cannot use in the day, because we have to go out whether to work or whether to college, so we cannot have an oily scalp or oily hair. So in that case, once you are done from the shower, you can just take anti-hair fall serum of the Man Company. Take maybe a gram or two, this much, on your palm, and then apply it on your fingers and rinse the fingers through your scalp and through your hair, so it is applied completely. Now that is the way how you will take care of the hair fall during the daytime, and during nights you should apply hair growth oil. So we are giving you two options over here. Now actually not two, you should use both of them, once in the daytime and another one in the night time. And if you're buying today, we have buy two get one offer running on lifestyle.com. So please log on to lifestyle.com and buy those products. Okay, so last question that we'll be taking. Okay, I'm 25 years old and my beard didn't grow till now. What could be the reason? Okay, as you have just joined, I would brush through this question again because we already answered it. So it can be genetic, right? So please look around in your family whether they do have beard or not. If they do not, then obviously it is a genetic reason why you do not have beard. In that case, definitely you can use the Man Company Almond and Thyme Beard Oil. Use it twice a day, right? Morning and night, at least for 45-60 days, so that you can see the result. If you see the result, keep on using it until you get the desired growth. Okay. So waiting on the next question. So last question we'll be taking. Okay, so we have another question on dark circles. Okay, so we have answered that question that you can use vitamin C products, you can use caffeine products. Vitamin C serum would be the best to use. It's very easy to use. Before going to bed, just take a couple of drops and apply on your skin and just leave it as it is. Okay, so I think we have answered most of the questions over here in regards to beard, hair fall, acne, oily skin, dry skin. So this session was 30-minute session, as I mentioned at the start of the session itself. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you Lifestyle for giving opportunity to spread the message across on this International Men's Day about physical and mental health and men's grooming. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.